So we've been working already with feminine and masculine nouns. You know that sometimes it's not that easy. It doesn't depend only if they finish with O or A to know whether they're masculine or feminine. So it might take some time for you to get used to whether a noun is feminine or masculine. Sometimes you just have to learn them by heart, right? You have to memorize. But imagine that we're dealing with the noun house, casa. It ends in an A. In this case, it applies the rule, so it's feminine. So of the house, what do you think of the house? Would be, ¿qué piensas de la casa? Of the house, de la casa, right? So that's the way we say, what do you think about the house? Of the house. So in this case, because it's feminine, it's pretty easy, straightforward. The problem is when we have a masculine noun. So, for example, let's say you want to ask something about a book. The book would be el libro. It's masculine, el libro. So you might tend to think that we could say de el libro, to say of the book. What do you think about the book, of the book? We could say, we might think, we could say de el libro. But we cannot say de el libro, right? We cannot say de and then el. So we just put those words together, we mesh them, and we say del libro. What do you think about the book would be, ¿qué piensas del libro? Remember that when it's masculine, we cannot say de él. We just say del. So let's practice with some exercises, right? Here you have some nouns in the column of the right, and you're gonna have to ask, what do you think about, right? So we don't know if these nouns are feminine or masculine, so you just have to guess. What do you think about? ¿Qué piensas casa? Is it feminine or masculine? ¿Qué piensas de la casa? ¿Qué piensas de la casa? President, presidente. How would you ask that? That would be, ¿qué piensas del presidente? It's masculine. Del presidente. Now we have maestra, teacher. How would you ask, what do you think about the teacher? Because of the ending of the word, we know that the teacher is a female, right? So you would say, ¿qué piensas de la maestra? ¿Qué piensas de la maestra? The next one are children, niños, children. This is masculine and this is plural. So you would say, ¿qué piensas de los niños? In plural, we don't have any problem with masculine or feminine. We just say de las feminine, de los masculine. ¿Qué piensas de los niños? Now we have teacher, professor in masculine, right? What do you think about the teacher? That would be, ¿qué piensas del profesor? Del. ¿Qué piensas del profesor? The next one, you have Spanish language. What do you think about the Spanish language? How would that be? ¿Qué piensas del idioma español? The next one is this video. What do you think about this video? How would you say that? ¿Qué piensas del video? Nature. How would it be? ¿Qué piensas de la naturaleza? Rain. How do we make it with rain? ¿Qué piensas de la lluvia? Good, very good. I hope you understood, and now let's practice with some quizzes.